In the early 21st century, websites were doing all the sales of all online businesses. But that was about 2 decades ago. Now they are nearly extinct. But why? The answer is simple. They have been replaced by funnels, more specifically by sales funnels. Hey guys, it's Joyce. If you're new to my channel, I like to talk about affiliate and network marketing and how you can get an education on building an online business, as well as review of products and services that can help you. So if you're interested in anything I just mentioned, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these videos. In today's video, I will give you an in-depth knowledge of sales funnels. And like I said in my previous video, websites are dead. For any business to survive, it needs to be able to generate money. For that, it needs to be doing sales for its products or services, and for this to happen, the need of traffic, which is people online, and the people that are willing to buy them is very important. Without traffic, there won't be any sales and the business will eventually die. That's what has been happening with websites. Your typical business website may look similar to this one. For you, your website may look beautiful and amazing, but the traffic, they are viewing your website like this. Always remember, a confused mind always says no. So with this type of structure, you are hardly getting your traffic to go to where you want them to go. Instead, the structure should have been a direct approach where your prospects go directly to where they want and actually buy. The secret of actually having this type of structure and making lots of sales is through sales funnels. What are sales funnels? Well, if you look at a funnel, it is shaped in an inverted cone, wide at the top, and as you get closer to the bottom part of the funnel, it gets narrower and narrower. The same is for an online funnel, also known as sales funnel. The sales funnel is a series of meticulously and beautifully elaborated online pages to draw in potential customers into paying customers without entering a maze of unwanted clicks and question where they're headed by applying and considering 4 main stages. Yes, there are actually 4 main stages that take place inside a sales funnel. The stage 1 is awareness. It occurs when the entrepreneur is able to generate traffic, which can be through social media posts, through blogging contents or paid ads, and they drive the traffic to the funnel. Once they enter the funnel, they are no more considered as traffic but leads. The entrepreneur has already made them aware that they are there because he has raised his value in regards of the problems they are having, and he has a solution for that. Stage 2 is interest. In this stage, the leads are still questioning their decision if they have made the right choice or not. For the entrepreneur, this is the right moment to swoop in, not to sell, but to give value to his service and show how this service can help them by providing them examples. Stage 3 is decision. This is the stage where the leads are considering to buy or have already decided to buy the product. Now, in order to make sure they do, the entrepreneur offers a bonus or proposes an extra service, making it irresistible for the leads not to buy. And stage 4 is action. In this stage, there is where your leads take action and buy. They become your customer and they are now part of your company. So what are inside the pages of a sales funnel? In order to come up with an effective sales funnel, you have to be able to come up with a proper and complete value ladder. Now, A value ladder is a way of valuing the price of the products and services you are offering in your business. The more value the product or service provides, the higher will be its price. I will explain the value ladder in a next video. Now, so you map all the products of the different levels in your value ladder to your sales funnels to maximize your sales and make huge amount of profit. Now, if you're able to map your front end product till the back end product to your value ladder into the funnel pages and present them to your customers following the 4 main stages, your company will without a doubt make more and more profit. The approaches used in a sales funnel is: number 1, you bait your traffic with an extremely cheap or free valuable offer. This is known as the front end offer. Number 2 is, once hooked, the traffic enters your landing page where you collect contact information to send them your front end offer. Now, you need to understand and realize that not everyone that buys or is hooked onto your bait will buy all other products through the sales funnel, but a small percentage who took your bait will. Number 3 is, now you can apply the 4 stages that I talked about and continue through your value ladder. You provide and keep providing value. At the end of the funnel, you will find a handful of promising customers who have been able to afford your back-end product. They are the ones that you want to connect at a more professional level and do more business with. Now, if it is too hard for you to come up with your front end or back end product of your value ladder, and you don't know how to map them to your sales funnel, Russell Brunson, the founder and CEO of ClickFunnels, the best funnel provider service out there, has meticulously elaborated all the best steps of how you can build your most effective money-generating sales funnel in his free book, .com Secrets. Grab the book in the description box below. You're only paying the shipping. So there is also the One Funnel a Week challenge that will help you get all your funnels professionally prepared by you, or you choose to who can prepare them, and set your business in the right track, because according to Russell, you are just one funnel a week. So it's true that there are many funnel provider services out there, but what I personally recommend is the sales funnel from ClickFunnels. They have the best sales funnel and the best customer support. Well, I hardly believe that you will need one actually, because they give you everything that you need to market, to sell and deliver your products online through one convenient dashboard without needing extra autoresponder software, shopping carts or other websites. Moreover, they provide you with a free 14 days trial without mentioning the 100% money payback guarantee on your purchases if you are unsatisfied. But I hardly believe so that you'll be unsatisfied. Now, if you want to learn about how to manage your sales funnel, I will leave a link to a free webinar where you can learn about sales funnel. And before you do that, do get your 14 days free trial and let me know, because I will give you bonuses where you will be able to get yourself on the path of becoming a super affiliate with free bonuses from my part. So guys, if you found value, please comment and tell me about it. And please do hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss the next videos that are going to come. It's been fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.